Hello everyone, good evening. Sorry, good. I am audible and visible to all of you. Good morning everyone. Good morning, good morning. How are you all? All are good? Doing well? Good morning Anju, good morning Purvi, good morning Uma, good morning Anil, good morning everyone. Good morning. Good morning Santosh. How are you all? How are you all? Hello Anshika. Hello everyone. Hello Swati. Okay, awesome. I'm good. I'm good. Thanks for asking, Anil. Thank you so much. Okay. So yesterday you were given a task, everyone. So आप लोगों ने वो task किया because I have received a lot of responses on that on my email, and I was really happy to see that. Really happy to see that so many of you have actually completed all your tasks which was given. Okay, awesome. So कल जो मैंने आप लोगों को टास्क दिया था, तो आप लोगों में से कितने लोगों ने वो भेजा है और कितने लोगों ने नहीं भेजा है? काइंडली हेल्प मी नोइंग दैट. काइंडली हेल्प मी नोइंग द सेम कि कितने लोगों ने भेजा, कितने लोगों ने नहीं भेजा. बिकॉज आई हैव रिसीव नियर अबाउट 15 responses on that, like 15 students. Is my voice audible? Somebody is saying that my voice is not coming clearly. Is my voice okay? Okay. So okay. हाँ जी, मुझे काफ़ी लोगों के मिले responses. I was very happy. Somebody has pasted on their mirror. Somebody has pasted on their craft box. Somebody has pasted on the wall. It was very awesome to see that. Very awesome. Okay. So awesome everyone. So yesterday we talked about self-love. Yesterday we talked about self-love and self-esteem. Self-love and self-esteem. Today we will be talking about self-confidence and how we can develop our confidence in real life. Today we will be talking about self-confidence and how we can develop confidence in our real life. Okay? So you all are excited? You all are excited for that? I am very excited because it's a very beautiful topic. जिन लोगों ने भी टास्क नहीं किया है, kindly make sure that you are doing your task every day. Okay? Kindly make sure that you are doing your task every day. Everybody, if you are attending the class and if you are not doing your task, and if you are not sending it, you are just watching the entire session and you are not doing your task, it's of no use at the end of the day. आप भी अपना टाइम लगा रहे हो, 1 घंटा. You are also seeing it. I am also giving my 1 hour. So and Raval Digital Munch is giving so much of time of theirs to you. So you have to make it count, right? Whatever activity and whatever task are being given to you, you have to do that on a regular basis. That is the crucial thing that needs to be done every day. That needs to be done every day. And let's thank Raval Digital Munch before we start our session for the day for organizing such amazing summer camp. And you all should be really thankful to them and say thank you to your teacher for that. Okay? So let's start for our session for the day. And today's session will be all about how to develop self-confidence and confidence in our real life. Okay? First of all, let me know everyone that what do you understand by confidence? आपको क्या लगता है कि confidence है क्या? What is your understanding of confidence? Everybody, what do you understand by the word confidence. What is your understanding of the word confidence? Help me in knowing that. Batao. I am asking, what is your understanding of confidence? Believe in ourselves. Okay. What else? What else? What else is confidence? What do you understand by confidence? That is very, very important. Believe in ourselves. What else? There are some people who are really confident. There are two types of people, right? One, A category people, they are actually very, very confident. उनको आप कुछ भी बोल दो, they will portray it in a very beautiful way. And there is other kind of a person, उसको आप कितना भी motivate कर दो, कितना भी कुछ कर दो, they will not be able to do it. A feeling which helps us to do anything, okay? Having belief in ourselves that we can do it, okay? Believe. What else? Believe in ourselves, okay? What else? What else? Believe on self, okay? Okay. What else? I will do all things, okay? To do something without fear, okay? ये सब ठीक है, लेकिन confidence क्या है? Confidence is a feeling. Confidence is a feeling that comes from the very inside that yes, you will be able to do something in the desired way, the way it is expected. It's a feeling that comes from inside. It's a positive aspect. First of all, it's a positive feeling. You have to make this very, very clear in your mind that confidence is a positive feeling that generates from inside. And how it is generated, everyone? How it is generated? It is only generated when you do something on a regular basis. If I will tell you, अब जब एक छोटा बच्चा होता है, when there is a small child, he or she is very much hesitant in walking. वो चलता है, वो गिर जाता है, वो चलता है, वो गिर जाता है, वो चलता है, वो गिर जाता है. लेकिन one thing that is very common in that child is he rises again, and then he starts walking again. And when in this journey of rising and falling, he gains confidence in his own self. So this is known as confidence. When you practice something for the very first time, it will take lots of guts. It will take that zeal from inside that yes, I have to do it and I will be able to do it. Okay? You just have to take the first step. That is very, very important. If you don't take that first step, आप वहीं पे अटके रहेंगे. For example, आप लोग क्लास में होते हैं. You are there in the class. Like I am talking about classes, like classroom classes. Some students, they really hesitate in asking any doubts to the teacher. When teacher asks them that do you have any doubts, उनको doubt होता है मन में, लेकिन वो नहीं पूछ पाते just because उनको ऐसा लगता है कि मेरे मुँह से कुछ गलत ना निकल जाए. Maybe I will say something that people will make fun of. Okay? So all these things are there in your mind. And asking that question for the very first time will take a lot of motivation, will take a lot of zeal. And a lot of motivation, because that is not your comfort zone. What is your comfort zone? Comfort zone is staying silent and not speaking. And ये assume कर लेना कि जैसा चल रहा है चलने देते हैं. But what is your not comfort zone? What is your uncomfortable zone? Standing up, saying to the teacher, I have this doubt and please clarify it. Okay? This is something that is your uncomfortable zone. And we have to move to our uncomfortable zone again and again and again in order to gain that confidence. Okay? If I talk about myself, मैं भी एकदम से इतना ज़्यादा बोलने नहीं लग गई थी. एकदम से मैं भी टीचर नहीं बन गई थी. Right? I didn't become a mentor, I didn't become a teacher, I didn't become a, you can say a coach एकदम से. It took a lot of time. Firstly, I was also really hesitant in doing the same. All of you must be facing, कभी-कभी आप लोगों को बहुत लगता है कि मैम ने बोला वीडियो बनाते हैं, तो वीडियो बनाते हैं. फर्स्ट टाइम इट विल बी वेरी हार्ड, सेकंड टाइम इट विल बी वेरी हार्ड, थर्ड टाइम इट विल बी वेरी हार्ड, फोर्थ टाइम इट विल बी वेरी हार्ड, बट फिफ्थ टाइम, सिक्स टाइम, सेवेंथ टाइम और एट्थ टाइम यू विल बिकम रियली कॉन्फिडेंट. आपके अंदर वो धीरे धीरे कॉन्फिडेंस आने लग जाएगा. Similarly, you have to do the things you fear and fear will disappear. It's all about fear that's there in your mind. Okay, that I'm afraid of this, I cannot do this, I cannot do that. But one thing you have to make very thing common, everyone, that you have to go outside your comfort zone. और if you just understand आपको किस चीज़ से डर लगता है, बोलने से लगता है, सामने आने से लगता है, किस चीज़ से लगता है कि लोग आपके बारे में क्या कहेंगे, what will people think about me, what will my friends think about me, what will my parents think about me, what will my teachers will think about me. All of these things come in your mind, right? If I'm not wrong, these are your comfort zones. These are something that makes you really afraid. So what your task is from now onwards, that you have to take out, you have to speak up. Even in your Google classes or even in your Zoom classes, जब teachers classes लेती है, तभी बहुत सारे बच्चे जो कैमरा ऑफ करके बैठते होंगे, बहुत सारे बच्चे जो मैम पूछती है डाउट्स है उनके मुंह से येस नहीं निकलता होगा. They are very afraid to show their face as well, even though teacher knows them by face. But on Zoom calls, they are very afraid in showing their faces. They always prefer कि उनका जो कैमरा है वो हमेशा ऑफ रहे, उनकी ऑडियो गलती से भी मैम के पास ना चली जाए, right? So what is all these signals of? These are signals of underconfidence. You are really not confident about yourself. Okay? So it's very very important everyone कि आप लोग एक स्टेप लें आगे, so that you become really confident. And आपको ऐसा लगता है कि I am afraid of something, I will not be able to do this, I will not be able to do that. You have to remember one thing, people. Do the things you fear and fear will disappear. मेरे मेंटोर ने मुझे बात सिखाई थी कि पूजा आपको जिस चीज़ से डर लगता है उसको बार बार करते रहो, so ultimately that fear will disappear. For example, let's take an example. I was really afraid of water. I was really afraid of water. I was really afraid of heights. I was really afraid of adventurous sports. जो adventurous sports होते हैं ना, जो आपको ऊंचाई पे ले जाते हैं, पानी के अंदर डाल देते हैं, all these things, I was really afraid of all these things. But what happened in this March 2021, I went to Goa. Okay, I went to Goa and there I was there for a training. I went there for a training session, and what happened over there, I went 2 days prior. जब मेरी training start हुई थी उसके 2 दिन पहले मैं गई थी वहाँ पे, and I was there with one of my friends. So we went to a beautiful beach. That beach is named as Senkulam beach. तो हर एक बीच में वहाँ पे स्पोर्ट्स एक्टिविटी हो, वाटर स्पोर्ट्स एक्टिविटी होती है. सो आई वॉज रियली विलिंग टू गो ऑन अ बोट, कि बोट राइड करके आएंगे पानी में. तो आई वॉज इंटरेस्टेड फॉर दैट. आई वॉज नॉट रियली इंटरेस्टेड इन डूइंग एनी एक्टिविटी that requires a lot of adventure. So what happened, when the friend of mine, she told me कि let's go and let's do parasailing. She told me I want to do parasailing. I understood कि मुझे पता नहीं था parasailing होती क्या है. So she told me that parasailing is you sit on a boat from here, from the beach side, from the shore of the beach, and then your boat is between the middle of the ocean. Then you go to the middle of the ocean, and what happens over there is you shift from one ship to the another ship. You shift from one ship to another ship in the middle of the ocean. In the middle of the ocean you do that. And when you shift from one boat to the other, what happens over there is you are tied. It's a kind of a parachute that is tied from the boat. Okay. So what happens over there is they tie all the instruments, what are the security things, and they just take you at a very good height. बहुत ऊंचा ले जाते हैं आपको बोट से ही. there is a system through which they can just take you very 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 ahead, very 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 in the at a very good height. And when you are at a very good height, what they do is they just drive the boat at a speed of 500 kilometers per hour. Okay, they drive the boat at a speed of 500 kilometers per hour, and they just rotate it. It's very adventurous. So my friend was doing it and I was seeing her. I was preparing a video. She came down and she told me, do it. तब तक वहाँ पे जितने भी लोग थे in the boat, the people those who were there, so they were also telling me it's very safe, nothing will happen, you will be very safe and all such kind of things. Okay. But ultimately, I was not that confident कि whether I will be able to do it, because I am really afraid of heights. I am really afraid of water. मुझे ये लग रहा था कुछ हो गया तो पानी के बीच में मुझे कुछ हो गया तो मुझे तो तैरना भी नहीं आता. So I was feeling like that. Then I did it. So when I just went up, attaching, and when I did that parasailing, तो उसके बाद क्या होता है, they take you at a very good height and they give you a very good round of the ocean, of the water, and then what happens over there is they just bring you down inside the water. They bring you down inside the water and they give you jumps in the water, right? Till here, you are still here inside the ocean, okay? And then you just rise up and then they just make you come safely towards the boat. They make you come safely towards the boat, and trust me, it was the most beautiful experience of my life. And trust me, it was the most beautiful experience of my life. Like, I was actually feeling I am on the top of the world. The feeling of acquiring and winning over your fear is something that is very amazing. And after that, I was willing कि हम ये वाली activity भी करेंगे, ये वाली भी करेंगे, ये वाली भी करेंगे, ये वाली भी करेंगे. So it's all about your fear. Once you do the things you fear, your fear disappears because you enjoy the things that are going there. Okay? So it's very, very important, everybody, that you are doing the things that you are really afraid of. चाहे वो बोलना हो, चाहे वो ड्राइंग हो, चाहे वो डांसिंग हो, चाहे वो पढ़ाई भी हो, चाहे वो कोई सब्जेक्ट क्यों ना हो. आपको किसी, हम लोग बोलते हैं कि हमें मैथ से डर लगता है. वी आर अफ्रेड ऑफ इंग्लिश, वी आर अफ्रेड ऑफ संस्कृत, वी आर अफ्रेड ऑफ हिंदी. क्यों? Why we feel about it? Just because हम उस सब्जेक्ट को इतना टाइम नहीं देते, isn't it? We don't get that much of time to that subject, and that's why we are afraid of it. It's very, very important. You have to revise all the things. You have to inculcate yourself in practicing that subject again and again and again. And when you will get that confidence, then you will be able to sail through it. Then you will be able to get that zeal inside of you. Okay? ठीक है? अब हम ये वाली बात करें. कॉन्फिडेंस सबको समझ आया? कॉन्फिडेंस समझ आ गया सबको क्या होता है? You got to know, everyone, what is confidence? So I shared with you one of my experiences which I recently acquired, or recently I experienced, and it was really amazing. And everybody of you, if you will go to Goa, if you will go to somewhere there where there are water activities and all those kind of things, do parasailing. It's very, very good. It's very nice. And always indulge yourself in something that you are really afraid of, like it's going on a trek or going underwater or anything. Do that. It's very, very important. But with a good guide, but with a mentor, in guidance of somebody. ये नहीं कि आप लॉकडाउन खत्म हुआ, आप लोग चले गए, चलो जी हम खुद ही करके आएंगे, पानी में डूब जाएंगे, ऐसे कुछ नहीं करना है. So you have to take the guidance from somebody, and then you have to do it. Okay. The next thing all of you have to remember that is, when you are talking about confidence, your mindset again is very, very important. If you're not taking care of your mindset at the end of the day, if you don't know who you are, so you will not be able to do anything in your life. Why most of the people don't have that much of confidence in their life is they don't know themselves. They don't know themselves. आज अगर मैं आपको बोलूँ कि आप अपने बारे में मुझे कुछ बताइए, tell me some strengths and weaknesses about yours, you will not be able to tell it. I can guarantee you for that. If I will tell you, you have to tell me 20 strengths and 20 weaknesses of yours, you will not be able to tell it. But अगर मैं आपको ये वाली चीज़ बोल दूँ कि आपका जो ये फ्रेंड है, आपका जो ये कलीग है, इसकी आपको स्ट्रेंथ, ये कैसा इंसान है, इसकी क्या क्या कमियाँ है, इसकी क्या क्या खूबियाँ, आप लोग मुझे लिस्ट दे देंगे. ये तो ऐसा है, ये काम नहीं करता, ये बहुत लेट आता है, ये मुझे बहुत परेशान करता है, ये मुझे अपनी चॉकलेट नहीं देता, लंच ले जाता है, बहुत सारी चीज़ें होती है, बहुत सारी चीज़ें आप बता दोगे. लेकिन वही चीज़ आप अपने बारे में नहीं बता पाओगे. You will not be able to tell us this about your own self, and that is where the real lack is. Yes, I gave you this activity. I know about that. So it's very, very important, people, that you know about yourself. And why I gave you that activity and why I'm talking about this again, because this is very, very, very important. Because this is very, very, very important to know who you are. Know yourself, everyone. You have to know who you are. We know others. We know what kind of a person other person is. We know what kind of a friend our person is. Okay? It's very, very important that you are focusing upon yourself. Okay? Exactly. Don't comment on others. First comment on yourself. Exactly. हम लोगों की गलतियाँ बहुत जल्दी पकड़ लेते हैं कि वो क्या कर रहा है, what kind of clothes he or she is wearing, what kind of a dress he or she is wearing, what kind of speaking abilities they have, what kind of everything they have. But we don't focus upon हमने क्या गलत किया, हमारे अंदर क्या कमी है, what type of qualities I have, what I should be really confident about. For example, I was really confident in speaking. That is my strength. That has become my strength. So I am really confident about it. अगर आज कोई मुझे बोल दे कि आपको आज एक डांस क्लास लेनी है, पूजा गुलाटी, you have to take a dance class, I will not be able to do that because I'm not really confident about it. I'm not really confident about it. So it's very, very important, people, that you have to be really confident. You have to know yourself. You have to know yourself, okay? It is tough to understand about yourself, and for this, and understanding what are your strengths and what are your weaknesses, you can take help of your parents because they know you more than you know yourself. Okay? They know you more than you know yourself, so you can ask them. You can write down that today I will write down 20 strengths and 20 weaknesses about myself, and when you get stuck, just ask your parents, Mama, Baba, please help me in understanding what are my strengths and what are my weaknesses, right? Because most of the people don't know about it. And then when, for example, अगर आज मेरे पास कोई आए, वो बोलते पूजा, you are not good at speaking. Deep inside, I know that yes, I can speak थोड़ा बहुत अच्छे से. So I will be of an attitude that yes, I am confident enough. I will not get अंडर कॉन्फिडेंट कि हाँ किसी और के परसेप्शन की वजह से मुझे मेरी स्ट्रेंथ के बारे में पता है. इट कैन बी योर्स टू, दैट आपकी स्ट्रेंथ डांसिंग है, आपकी स्ट्रेंथ सिंगिंग है, आपकी स्ट्रेंथ बोलना है, आपकी स्ट्रेंथ पेंटिंग है, आपकी स्ट्रेंथ कुछ भी है, कैलीग्राफी है, इट कैन बी एनीथिंग, वीडियो एडिटिंग है, आपकी सोशल मीडिया है, इट कैन बी एनीथिंग. If somebody today comes up to you and they say that you're not good at anything, first of all, you don't have to get underconfident because deep inside you know that you are good at it. क्योंकि बहुत लोगों ने आपको बोला है, एक के बोलने से हम लोग अफेक्ट हो जाते हैं, तो फर्स्ट थिंग व्हाट वी हैव टू डू इज वी हैव टू नो आवरसेल्फ. Okay? It's very, very, very important, people, that you have to know yourself. Okay? समझ आया सबको? Everybody understood? अंडरस्टूड एवरीवन? समझ आया आप लोगों को क्या बोलना चाह रही हूँ मैं? ओके, ऑसम, गुड. ठीक है. ऑल ऑफ यू टेल मी व्हाट आर योर वीकनेसेस. कोई सब लोग अपनी एक वीकनेसेस बताना. एवरीवन tell me one weaknesses about yours. Any one weakness comment section में बताओ कि weakness can be you are dishonest, you say lies, it can be you don't respect your elders, it can be you are really lazy, it can be you don't perform, you don't take care of yourself, anything can be you are not a good student, you are not attentive, your concentration level is very less. These are your weaknesses, okay? Singing is your weakness, okay? What else? For everybody else, what do you know about your weakness? Singing. और क्या weakness है आप लोगों की? मैं बहुत जल्दी सब पे ट्रस्ट कर लेती हूँ. What's your age, dear? Tell me your age. ये गौरव गोयल नाम से जो है, अपनी एज बताइए मेरे को एक बार. Dancing, sing. I'm not good in speaking towards another. My weakness is my fear. Okay, which kind of fear do you have? Reptiles. अच्छा. Lizard is your weakness. मैं आप लोगों की weakness के बारे में बात कर रही हूँ. मैं ये बात नहीं कर रही आपको कैसे डर लगता है. 27. Okay. Mine is dancing. 27. Okay. And what do you do, Gaurav Goyal के वहाँ से जो भी है, what do you do? Your weakness is you are not confident. Okay. What else? अरे reptiles is not a weakness. It's a kind of fear that you have. Weakness is that you are dishonest, that you procrastinate. All these things are your वीकनेसेस, छिपकली आपकी वीकनेस नहीं है. आई एम अ ग्रेट लायर. ओके, क्या बात है, कितने अच्छे अच्छे बच्चे हैं यहाँ पे, अपने मुंह से एक्सेप्ट कर रहे हैं कि मैं तो बहुत बड़ा झूठा हूँ. ओके ओके, यू आर अ टीचर. ओके, डॉक्टर. डॉक्टर इज नॉट योर वीकनेस. हाउ कैन डॉक्टर बिकम योर वीकनेस? People, you are not understanding what I'm trying to say. Be here and understand. You are dishonest, you are weak in math, okay? Speaking in front of my people. What do you understand by my people over here? What is the meaning of my people over here? Okay, my weakness is hesitation. H-E-S-I, it's not H-E-Z-I. Dishonest, okay? I'm a great liar, okay? My fear is my mother. अरे भाई, मैं फियर नहीं पूछ रही, मैं वीकनेस पूछ रही. हाउ कैन योर मॉम बी योर वीकनेस एवरीवन? हाउ कैन मॉम बिकम योर वीकनेस? योर मॉम एंड योर पेरेंट्स आर योर वेरी बिग स्ट्रेंथ. ऑलवेज रिमेंबर दैट. माई वीकनेस इज हेजिटेशन. हेजिटेशन की स्पेलिंग होती है HESITATION. HEZI नहीं होता है. ओके, लायर. आई फील जेलस आफ्टर कंपेयरिंग माई सेल्फ विद अदर्स. ओके, नॉट पंक्चुअल. ओके, I can't understand people. In what sense, Poonam? I am not confident to speak out in front of people. Speaking first. Well, okay, got it. Very short-tempered. Okay. All right. She's a friend, yes, indeed. Our mother. I am shaking while I speak in front of 100 people. I am shaking. You are shaking right now. आई एम तब आप यूज करो. आई एम शेकिंग का मतलब क्या है कि आप अभी शेक कर रहे हो. ओके, यू आर शेकिंग राइट नाउ. आई शेक इन फ्रंट ऑफ पीपल और आई हेजिटेट इन फ्रंट ऑफ पीपल. ओके, स्पीकिंग इन फ्रंट ऑफ अननोन पर्सन. ओके, नॉट पंक्चुअल, वेरी शॉर्ट, डांसिंग. ओके, आई एम अ बॉय हु इज वेरी डिसऑनेस्ट. ओके. See everybody, your answer lies within you. Nobody will be coming and telling you कि आपको अपने अंदर क्या इम्प्रूवमेंट करनी है. आपको खुद ही पता है कि if you are a liar, you know that what you have to improve in yourself. You have to indulge yourself in honesty. Okay. See everyone, whatever weakness that you have, it's very important that you know about it. Okay, you know about it. For example, if you compare yourself with somebody, again, it's not that good, because ultimately there is no comparison between a diamond and a coal. Okay. Next is, if you trust people very easily, it's not a weakness. Trusting people is not a weakness, it's a strength. It's a very good thing that you have a pure heart. Okay, you have to understand this, everyone. If you are saying I am a bad boy, I am not say front of 100 people and math करना मेरी weakness. Okay, you don't have any weakness, Ayan. क्या बात है, फिर तो आपको भगवान जी बता देना चाहिए. Okay. So understand everybody, whatever weakness that you are telling me that you have this weakness of procrastination. Okay, you compare yourself, you say lies, you are not obedient, you disobey everyone, or you say that you trust everybody, you are a kind of a person that you are not good at math. All these things are what these things are telling you. What these things are telling you at the end of the day, that you have something to improve in yourself. Okay, all of you, if you are saying that you are dishonest, try to indulge yourself in honesty. If you are saying that you are not good in math, say to yourself that I will practice for 1 hour every day. I will dedicate 1 hour of mine every day to math. Okay, for example, if you are saying that you are not good at dancing, if you are not good at singing, if you are not good at anything, just start focusing upon that, so that even that thing comes out of your weakness zone. If you are saying that you are procrastinate, it's very important to understand. कल भी मैंने आपको वाली चीज़ बताई थी कि सेल्फ एस्टीम कैसे डेवलप होती है, कि you have to prepare a to-do list. Okay, you have to prepare a to-do list, and then you have to stick on it. And when you have a to-do list, you give direction to your mind, and ultimately this procrastination habit excludes from your life. मेरी वीकनेस बाद में जान लेना, पहले अपना सोल्यूशन सुन लो आप लोग. मेरी वीकनेस जान के क्या करोगे आप लोग? Okay, it's very important, everybody, that you are focusing upon yourself. Again, you are focusing upon me. No, that should not be the case. अभी आप अपने बारे में सोचो. If you start crying very fast, it means that your remote control in others' hands. Okay, you have to know that all your emotions are in your hands. We say that उसने ऐसा कर दिया, उसने वैसा कर दिया, they did that, and that's why I'm behaving in such a way. Always remember, the remote control of your life, it should be in your hands. Always should be in your hands. Always, it should not be anybody's other's hands. Okay, that is very, very important. So when you know what are your weaknesses, these are the things that are pulling you down in some or the other way. These are making your confidence level really go down. Okay, these are the things that are making your confidence level very, very low. So it's very important you start focusing upon them. मैं अपनी वीकनेस बता दूंगी, पहले आप लोग वीकनेस की स्पेलिंग ठीक कर लो अपनी. Okay, first of all, correct your spelling of weakness. That is WEAKNESS. I am disappointed very fast. Why? And why are all of you saying you are so small, and that you are saying that you get very angry and all such kind of things? You have to remember, everyone, that getting angry is not a solution to everything. Okay, you have to remember one thing, everybody, that getting angry is not a solution to everything. Okay, you should not say to react, you should say to respond. ये वाली चीज़ मैंने आपको उस दिन भी बताई थी कि हमेशा गुस्सा करने के लिए नहीं बोलना है आपको, और हमेशा एकदम तीव्र होके भी नहीं रहना है. पेरेंट्स, those who are listening, the major reason why your child is getting agitated just because of the influence of social media these days. Okay, so you have to make sure that your child is actually taking their time out from social media and indulging themselves in something that is very, very crucial for their life. It can be studies, it can be dancing, it can be singing, it can be anything. Okay, everyone, so all these things are very important, and don't compare yourself with anybody. Why do you want to compare yourself? Is there any comparison between sun and the moon? No, right? So you have to understand, everyone, that you should not get angry, or you should not compare yourself. Okay, the next thing is that awesome. So the next thing today we will talk about is how to develop confidence. Once we know that yes, we have some weaknesses. अच्छा, आप लोगों ने अपनी वीकनेस बता दिया, अब बता दो आपकी स्ट्रेंथ क्या क्या है. What strength do you have? What positive attribute that you have in your life? One positive attitude that you have in your life. It can be one strength of yours. It can be singing, it can be dancing, it can be playing something like playing badminton, playing tennis, or speaking, anything. It can be anything. Cooking as well. Cooking can also be a good skill. Dancing and speaking, okay. What else? Okay. What else? Dancing, okay. What else? Always believe in yourself, okay. That is a good strength, that you have that kind of belief in yourself, okay. अपनी मम्मी की सारी बातें सुनते हो, so why are you saying that you are a bad boy? Badminton and coding, okay. Okay. Helping others, okay. Helping others in what sense? In which sense that you are saying that you help others? Hip hop, okay, very nice. What else? Lucky ji, सुन लिया, badminton and coding. Your strength is your family, I know. I'm talking about your qualities, okay. Helping others, coding, okay. Badminton and coding. Space knowledge, awesome. That is not your strength. Your strength is something that you are very positive. You are good at speaking, you are good at something, okay. These are your strengths, okay. Mother and father, obviously they are your strengths, but I'm talking about qualities that you have. भावनाओं में मत बह जाया करो. stick to the topic always, okay? English and SST, okay. Okay, awesome. Exploring about space, that's a good thing. Awesome. Science, okay. Exploring about space, okay. I'm good in painting, all of you, awesome. If you have something to if you have something that you really appreciate in your life, these are your strengths, that whatever you're saying, तो अब आपको इसको प्रैक्टिस करते रहना है ताकि ये स्ट्रेंथ आपकी बनी रहे. What happens over here is when we understand, okay, I have this skill, I have this knowledge, I have this strength, we get really egoistic about it. Because we get egoistic about it. हमें लगता है कि हाँ हमें तो आता है, हमें तो क्या improve करना है. But always remember, even everybody has a space for improvement. Everybody has a space for improvement in their life, okay? It's very, very important. Even if you have a skill in your life, okay, right? Even if you have a skill in your life, so it's very important that you are over here to improve yourself every day. All of you tell me, what is 1 to the power 365? All of you, those who are saying they are good at math, so tell me, what is 1 to the power 365? What is 1 to the power 365, everyone? Hanji. What is 1 to the power 365? Yes, it's 1. Right? 1 to the power 365 is 1. But 1.01 to the power 365 is? It creates a huge lot of difference, right? 1.01 की power 365 will not be 1. It will create that kind of difference. At this point of time, if you say your strength is at 1, if you will say that in the entire year I will not learn anything else about that skill, anything else about that strength, you will always remain at 1. But if every day you are adding even a 1 drop of knowledge more to that aspect, more to that strength, what will happen is, by the end of the year, if you are adding 0.1% of knowledge every day to that skill, what will happen over there is that 1.01 की power 365 will give you a huge lot of difference. This is the amount of time, this is the amount of thing that you will develop in your life. This is something that you will gradually develop in your life. Okay? So it will create a huge lot of difference. By the end of that year, you will feel like, yes, I am so confident now in that skill. For example, if you are saying a motivational speaker, आपका कंटेंट वही है, आप वही बोलते हो जो आप बोलते रहते हो, नया कुछ भी नहीं है, आप कुछ नया नहीं सीख रहे हैं कि कैसे आपको ये वाली चीज़ कैसे और प्रेजेंट करनी है, क्या क्या टॉपिक्स होते हैं और कुछ काइंड ऑफ थिंग. सो व्हाट विल हैपन इज बाय द एंड ऑफ द ईयर आपकी नॉलेज स्टार्टिंग में थी वही नॉलेज आपकी एंड में रहेगी. Similarly, if you will add 1.01, like if you will add 0.01% to your skill every day, what will happen over there is that by the end of the year you will see a drastic change in yourself, drastic change in your strength. Similarly, it goes with your weaknesses as well. If you have a weakness, if you work upon it, ultimately it will come down from the stage of weakness and maybe it can become your strength as well. Okay everyone, समझ आया? Got it? Got the point everyone? Trying to say? Everyone, can you hear me? Okay. Yes, you understood what I'm trying to say, everyone? And don't use short form if you are commenting. This is a very bad way to communicate. Why you are just students and you are using such short forms? OK का OHK, OKAY, OK की spelling क्या होती है? OK होती है ना? Why are you so much indulging yourself in all these kind of short forms? That is a message language. पता चले आप एग्जाम लिख रहे हो, आप भी वहाँ पे कोडिंग अपनी मैसेज लैंग्वेज लिख के आ रहे हो. Don't make it a habit to use, even if you are sending a message to somebody, always remember to use full languages, full words, full sentences. Okay? You should not use this message language abhi sahi. Parents, please do take care that your child is actually not indulging themselves into all these kind of things. Trust me, in the later span of their time, they will actually, it will be a very big thing to improve themselves. Again, Priyanka, you are writing OKAY. OK की spelling क्या होती है? OK होती है ना, सिर्फ OK होता है. Write OK. Don't write OKAY. OK is not a spelling of OK. Okay? अच्छे स्टूडेंट्स वो होते हैं जब आपने कोई चीज़ बता दी अपने स्टूडेंट्स को, तो मैम ने कोई चीज़ बताई है, उसी टाइम हम इम्प्लीमेंट कर रहे हो. मेरे सामने सामने आप गलती कर देते हो. That should not be the case, everyone. If you are being taught something, you have to remember that yes, again you are writing OKAY, everyone. अभी मैंने क्या बताया? You should not do that. ये कौन है? कुश है. कुछ अभी मैंने क्या बताया? That is okay. OKAY is a message language thing. Again OKAY. कुछ नहीं हो सकता. You're not ready to improve yourself. It actually shows that, everyone. You have to be willing to improve yourself. That is very, very important. Okay. Awesome. The next thing that we will be talking about today is I will be talking about a couple of steps through which you can develop confidence in your life, and that is something that you should develop in your life. Okay, everyone? Okay? So awesome. So first of all, we talked about that how you can develop your confidence is through doing the things that you are afraid of, and ultimately it will help you in gaining confidence in your life. Usha ji, फिर आप OKAY लिख रहे हो. The next thing is that you have to take care in your mind is that when you are on the journey to develop your confidence, practice is something that is very, very crucial. Practice makes a man perfect, right? Practice makes a man very, very perfect. So it's very important that you are practicing things regularly. आप ये बोलो, and consistency is also very important when you are developing your confidence. Consistency is also very important when you are developing your confidence. For example, I am afraid of speaking in front of people. आज मैंने practice करी, कल नहीं करी, परसों भी नहीं करी, फिर तरसों करी. तो क्या हो रहा है कि मैं regular नहीं हूँ ना उस चीज़ से. I am not regular in my practice. I am not regular in my journey towards improving myself. It's very, very, very important, everyone. When you are on a journey to improve your confidence level or any skill of yours, you have to, first of all, is practice, and second of all is consistency. Second of all is consistency, that you are doing that thing on a very consistent basis. On a very consistent basis. Consistency is very important. If you are not regular, for example, आज आपने मैथ का एक सम किया, आज आपको मैथ का कुछ पढ़ाया गया, ओके, आज आपको मैथ का कुछ पढ़ाया गया, आपने आज प्रैक्टिस कर ली, कल नहीं करी, परसों नहीं करी, तरसों नहीं करी, उसके बाद नहीं करी, फिर आप 5 से 6 दिन उस चीज़ को उठा के बैठोगे, आपको याद रहेगा अच्छे से? नहीं रहेगा ना. That is known as lack of consistency in your life, and that is one basic reason why most of the people are not successful. Why most of the people are not successful. So you have to develop that consistency in your life. If you want to develop confidence, you have to develop that consistency. You have to become really, you have to practice a lot. Along with that, you have to give direction to your day every day, so that you know कि अच्छा आपको आज करना क्या क्या है. Because when you do that, you get that confidence at the end of the day कि हाँ अच्छा मैं कर सकती हूँ, तो I can do a lot more. So it's very important that you have your to-do list. To-do list के बारे में मैंने आपको कल भी बताया था. It's very, very, very important that you have a to-do list in your life. Okay, everyone? Oh. Okay, everyone? समझ आया आप लोगों को? Basically, to-do list. To-do list is something that needs to be done on a regular basis. Again, if you will do that, आज मैंने अपनी to-do list बनाई, कल नहीं बनाई, परसों नहीं बनाई, फिर उसके बाद नहीं बनाई, 5-6 दिन बाद बनाई, so you will not be consistent over there. So ultimately, you will not be able to see the results of consistency in your life. Consistency is very, very, very important in every aspect of your life, whether it's dancing, singing, motivation, speaking, everything. This consistency is very, very important if you want to develop confidence in your life. Okay. The next thing that you have to focus upon is how do you develop that confidence in your life? How do you develop that confidence in your life? Confidence is 101%. It's a skill that can be developed in your life. skill that can be developed in your life. And always remember, you are the sum total of 5 people you spend your time with. इसका मतलब क्या है? अगर आपके फ्रेंड्स ग्रुप में यू आर अ फ्रेंड ग्रुप ऑफ 5 पीपल, आपके 4 बाकी के दोस्त दे आर वेरी गुड एट देयर इज, आपके अंदर भी एक इंटरेस्ट आ जाएगा. यू विल ऑल्सो डेवलप एन इंटरेस्ट towards dancing or singing. If one of your friend is not very good at math or is not good at singing or something or the other, 4 people are not that good in something else, ultimately you will also feel कि यार ये वाली चीज़ मेरे से भी लैक कर रही है. So अगर आप सपोज किसी सब्जेक्ट में अच्छे नहीं होते हो, फॉर एग्जाम्पल यू आर नॉट गुड इन अ पर्टिकुलर सब्जेक्ट इन योर लाइफ, तो हमारी टीचर्स क्या कहती है कि आप इसके साथ बैठो, इसकी मैथ्स अच्छी है, इसकी इंग्लिश अच्छी है, तो आपकी भी इम्प्रूव हो जाएगी. Isn't it? That's what our teachers do, because they also know importance of friends and importance of community is so important. So you have to have those kind of friends only in your life. You only have to have that kind of friends in your life. Those are adding value to your life, okay? And not they are taking energy from your life. They are giving something to you and they are not taking something away from you. Okay, everyone? So this is very, very, very important. Okay, your community is very important when you are on a journey to improve yourself, to improve your confidence, to improve your personality. All of these things matter a lot. Okay? Okay, everybody? And if you don't find people like like-minded people, or if you don't find people those who are very positive, so stay away. Remain alone. Being alone is better than being around people those who don't want you to get something, those who are not adding something good into your life. Okay? समझ आया आप लोगों को? Got to understand, everyone? Hanji, you got to understand. And today, and now we will proceed to the secret box of the day. Okay, then we'll proceed for the queries if you have any. Okay, everyone. So today's secret box is again you have to prepare a video. All of you are supposed to prepare your video. Okay. All of you are supposed to prepare your video. And today's secret box is very interesting. It's very interesting, okay? What is the secret box for the day? The secret box is that today you don't have to prepare a video on any topic. Like on topic pe nahi karna, you have to prepare an advertisement. You have to prepare and your topic for the advertisement is a soap. Your advertisement product is a soap. जैसे हम लोग देखते हैं ना, एडवर्टीजमेंट हो रही है कि this company has launched a soap and all these things are okay. So एक soap है, you have to advertise that soap, right? And how will you do that? You will be engaging yourself in some creative things. You can do that in English as well as in Hindi, or basically don't do it in Hindi, make it a mixture of Hindi and English if you want, or only English, no pure Hindi. Your product is a soap, or you can take a sanitizer as well. Yes, very good. You can take a sanitizer. Let's advertise a sanitizer. You can create any company of yours. कोई भी आप company ले लो. That okay, this is the company. तो आप सैनिटाइजर के ऊपर आप एडवर्टीजमेंट करोगे, ठीक है? एंड देन यू विल से दैट this is something, this is from this company, these qualities they have, and at the end you will leave behind a very good message. Okay, जैसे एडवर्टीजमेंट में होता है, so you will become an advertiser. You will say, you will introduce your product, and the time span will be 30 seconds. Use your creativity. How you can use prop as well. You can use prop as well and everything, and then make it a point that you will send this video of yours of advertising a sanitizer by 10 PM today. You have to advertise a sanitizer, everyone. सैनिटाइजेशन, सैनिटाइजर आपको एडवर्टाइज करना है. And use your creativity. You can either show a sanitizer or you can do any creativity if you want. Any creativity. Yes, only 30 seconds advertisement. And make it very creative. Make sure the camera is at your eye level. The lighting is good. There is no darkness. You are wearing good clothes. ये नहीं कि आप नाइट सूट में आप बना दोगे. Okay? You should prepare it by wearing good clothes. Okay, everyone? And those who are saying, those who have, no, it will only be of 30 seconds. आप टीवी पे 15 सेकंड की ऐड नहीं देख पाते. You can prepare, you can wear a good shirt or you can wear a good formal thing. No uniform, nothing informal will be taken care of. Okay? You should be advertising in a very formal way and you should be very confident. You should be speaking very loud, energetic, positive. पब्लिक स्पीकिंग के बारे में मैं आपको बहुत कुछ बता चुकी हूँ. एंड नाउ यूज योर क्रिएटिविटी. ये नहीं कि आप कैमरा नीचे रख दो और ऐसे करके बोल रहे हो. नहीं, कैमरा शुड बी एट योर आई लेवल जैसे मेरा रहता है. थिंक अबाउट इट, मेक अप योर क्रिएटिविटी. जी, आप कुछ भी करो, कोई डिटॉल करो, किसी का भी करो, अपना खुद का ब्रांड बना लो. आई डोंट हैव अ प्रॉब्लम बट आई नीड दैट एडवर्टीजमेंट टू बी वेरी क्रिएटिव. ओके एवरीवन? ओके एवरीवन, आई शुड सी दैट यू आर वेरी वेरी कॉन्फिडेंट ओवर देयर. ओके, ऑलराइट एवरीवन, जितना बोला जाता है उतना किया करो. यहाँ पे इतना सब कुछ लिख के लोगों को कंफ्यूज मत किया करो आप लोग. ठीक है? ऑलराइट एवरीवन, इफ यू हैव एनी डाउट्स यू कैन आस्क मी नाउ. एनी डाउट्स? एंड दोज हु आर सेइंग दैट they were not able to see today's session, so this session will be saved. This session of yours will be saved. This live session will be saved, so you can come back and you can see that जहाँ से आपने मिस किया था. Okay? आप अपना नाम बोलना. आप अपना नाम नीचे एडिटिंग में लिख सकते हो या कुछ भी कर सकते हो. See, it's up to you. You can start by giving an introduction and then you can start your advertisement. Okay? That is also something that you can do. Make sure the lighting is good. Make sure your clothes are very nice. Make sure that you are using props. Make sure that you are using creativity. Make sure you are using very good things in you are using creativity. You are confident and everything. Okay, everyone? समझ आया? Okay? Very interesting, right? Okay? Everybody has to send it to me on my email ID only by 10 PM today. आज रात 10 बजे से पहले मुझे भेजनी है आपको. आप मुझे भेजोगे सर. Okay? Yes, you can do editing if you want. You can do editing if you want, but don't do excess editing. Okay, everyone? Make it very creative. All the parents are requested to help their children if they wish to. You have to advertise a sanitizer, not a mask. You have to advertise a sanitizer, not a mask, everyone. Okay? Okay, everyone? Any doubts? Has any doubts? आप लोग, मैं अपनी वीकनेस एंड स्ट्रेंथ आपको बता दूंगी, लेकिन आप पहले अब वीकनेस की स्पेलिंग तो ठीक कर लो. आप सब लोग गलत लिखे जा रहे हो. मैंने अभी थोड़ी देर पहले वीकनेस की स्पेलिंग बताई थी, तब भी गलत लिखे जा रहे हो. और आप मेरी वीकनेस एंड स्ट्रेंथ जान के क्या करोगे? व्हाट विल यू गेट टू डू? व्हाट विल यू गेट बाय नोइंग माय वीकनेस एंड माय स्ट्रेंथ? टेल मी, व्हाट विल यू गेट बाय नोइंग माय स्ट्रेंथ एंड माय वीकनेसेस? एवरीवन, टेल मी दिस. What will you get? What will you get? You will get nothing now. So focus on yourself. Focus on your life. Improve yourself. Okay? Become very mature. Act mature and develop yourself. This is all about that. Okay, everyone? So thank you so much everybody for joining this session. I'm really happy for being that you are engaging yourself in so many things. And yeah, that's pretty much about it. No, I don't have a dog, Uma. I don't have a dog. So if you want to know my strengths and weaknesses, my strength absolutely has to be positivity and has to be communication skills. And my strength is 100% that I don't wake up very early. समझ हो गया? ठीक है? These are my strengths and weaknesses. Okay. Anything else? Anybody wants to ask? Anybody wants to say anything? Nothing? Anybody wants to say anything? Thank you, ma'am. Bye-bye. Have a good day. Thank you so much, everyone, for joining today's session. And it was really amazing. Thank you so much. And you all are wonderful. And let's thank Raval Digital Month for organizing such an incredible summer camp once again. Because अगर वो नहीं organize करते तो हम लोग नहीं मिल पाते. So always remember, be thankful and say thank you to your teachers for whatever they are doing for you. Always be attentive in all the other sessions like Vedic Maths. आपका next session है, coding is there, singing is there, dancing is there, and painting is there. So engage yourself in those activities and learn from them and develop yourself and forward your today's task by 10 p.m. today. Okay, everyone. Thank you so much, everybody, for joining today's session, and take care. Bye bye. Stay safe and protect yourself. Don't go outside. Stay indoors. Thank you so much.